Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be making a resin pen. So let's get started. So I have a silicone pen mold with me. There are different designs out there, so choose whichever one you like. So this is the one I have. So the simplest way or the easiest way to do this is take a pen refill. Make sure that the refill fits perfectly inside the mold, so the nib part of the pen goes down like that, and make sure the other end of the pen fits into the small notch that you have on the silicone mold. Then you just have to pour resin inside the mold and over the refill. So you can put clear resin, you can put flowers, glitters, alcohol inks, anything that you want, and after 24 hours you get something like this. So I've done this with just some flowers and glitters. So here's another one with the Petri effect. So this pen is a one-time use, right? So you can't change the refill, and after the ink finishes, that's it, then it's a showpiece. So I wanted to create a pen in which you can change the refill. The closest thing I came to was a straw. So this straw is from a juice box. So I know you get the small Tetra pack here in India, the fruity, appy. So the straw is from that. So the straw has it's a bendable straw, so you can see the spiral things, and it was creating an issue with the mold. So it was bending at that particular place. So I tried putting resin over that without my refill, and what I observed was because it was creating a bend and staying down or at the top, in the final result you could actually see those indentations. So it was not staying perfectly straight, it was bending at that particular place. The reason I had to go for this particular straw was because it was a perfect fit for the refill. So any other straw that I took, the refill was just coming out because the diameter was a bit too big. This particular one was a perfect fit. So to avoid the bending, I finally decided to put the refill inside and put the whole thing together into the mold. So before putting the refill into the straw, I rubbed a little bit of petroleum jelly all over the refill and then put it into the straw. The straw is not plastic, it's paper, so I'm not sure it's going to come out, the refill is going to come out easily at the end. So let's see. So I did try with the straw of 0.5 centimeters, but plastic is banned here, so I could not reduce the diameter of the straw with a lighter or something like that. Okay, so anyhow, let's continue. So once you put in the refill and the straw together inside the mold, then you just pour the resin over it. So I have decided to use a little bit of glitter on half of the mold, and then on the rest I'll be putting glitter with white mica powder. Once you pour the resin, allow the resin to completely cure, and we'll come back to this after 24 hours. It's been 24 hours, time to demold. Check it out, we made a beautiful glitter pen. The main thing of course is to see whether the refill will come out easily or no. The refill didn't come out, so I needed a little bit of help. So I used my jewelry pliers and just to support the nib, and very gently twisted it, and it came out easily. So probably the petroleum jelly helped a little bit. So yeah, it does come out, but you need something like a pliers or something like that to pull it out. So if anyone can send me a link for a straw with a smaller diameter, like 0.4 centimeters or something like that, because the refill is about 2 to 3 centimeters, 0.2 to 3 centimeters. Do let me know in the comments. So here's the final result. You can customize the pen with names. So if you don't want to use the straw, don't want any of the white or the color part of the straw to come, you can avoid that and just use the refill directly. Do go ahead and make yours. I think this would be great as return gifts at birthday parties or even corporate events. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share. I will see you soon in the next one.